Hi friends, this is Loli. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a video that is part of the Woodpeckers playlist. But we will discuss the details of this later on in the video. For now, let's go in with the first project. For the first project, I used one of these tiny candle holders from Woodpecker Crafts, and I'm going to use this little house that I got from the Dollar General. The first thing that I did was remove the tag, and now we're gonna go ahead and give these two pieces a nice healthy coat of rich black paint from Folk Art. And make sure to paint all the sides and back to have a nice finished product. And then I went over and dried it up using my heat gun. Once the black paint was dry, I came in with some Black & Decker paint and primer, and I painted the chimney of the house using that color. I just cleaned up the edges that I messed up with the white using a tiny bit of black. Then I came in with these sunflower ribbon transfers from the Dollar Tree, and I just cut off one, and I'm going to place it right on the center here, but I want to put it higher up on the house. So I just took it on there, trim it as best as I could, place it down, and rub it in using my burnisher. I noticed with these ribbon transfers that once you see that the image has transferred to the surface, you will see it become cloudy on the paper. Then I took some of these Scrabble pieces from Dollar Tree that spell the word home, and I'm going to position them in the bottom section right there. And I just use a tiny bit of wood hot glue to attach each one of these to the little house. Next, I took some gel super glue and I added to the top portion of the small candle holder, and I'm going to come in with some hot glue and add it to the sections in which the previous glue wasn't on, and I'm going to attach it to the bottom section of my house. And here we go, but we're not done yet. I'm going to come in with some buffalo check ribbon, and I'm going to create a small bow to add right to the base of the candle holder. And this gives it a little bit more of a finished look. And here it is, all complete. Let me know how you like it. Alright friends, as I mentioned earlier, this video is part of the Woodpecker Crafts playlist. And this is hosted by Sarah from Can Sarah DIY It and by Tami by Happiness Created. The link to their channels and to the playlist will be in the description box below. In this video, we do have a giveaway, and here are the details to enter.
Woodpeckerscrafts.com has donated a prize worth $100 for one lucky winner who watches the entire playlist and comments on each video in the playlist. So make sure to check the description box below. There will be a link for the playlist, and you can see everyone's videos of the amazing crafts they created using supplies from woodpeckerscrafts.com.
Alright guys, second inspiration project. I used two of these little rolling pins from Woodpecker Crafts. I love these guys, they are so cute. And what I did is I covered the midsection of one of them using my Folk Art paint in the color rich black. And I'm going to try to make a very neat paint job on here, trying to not get the black paint on my little handles of my rolling pin. For the second rolling pin, what I did is I painted the handles black instead. Then I came in with my Black & Decker paint and primer in the color white, and I painted the midsection of the rolling pin that had the handles black and the handles of the rolling pin that had the middle section black. Once those were dry, I took some of these rubbing transfers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to put one small sunflower at the edge of each one of these rolling pins. Then I took this set of rubbing transfers from Dollar Tree, and I'm using the word kindness out of it. I pretty much just cut it from the package and put it right on there. And I'm just going to use my burnisher to completely add this to the rolling pin. There you go. This is how it's looking so far. I love it. For the black rolling pin, I took one of those paint markers from Dollar Tree, and I just, hand writ the word hello onto it. I just passed it on there twice to give it a nice brighter white look. And here it is, all complete. I love these ones, guys. Let me know what you think. I really love them. For the third inspiration piece, I took one of these larger candle holders from Woodpecker Crafts, and I took some of these bamboo hoops from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and paint all these items with my Folka Rich black paint. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I'm going to invite you to please consider doing so. It is free and it means the world to me. Once the items were dry, I took some gel super glue and I added it to one of the ends in the inside of the biggest ring, and then I attached this smaller ring onto it. Then I took some wood glue and I added it to the size of the candle holder and a little bit of wood hot glue as well. And I'm going to attach this onto my candle holder. Then I took one of these tiny little cups or pails from Dollar Tree that came in a pack of 3 at the wedding section. And then I'm taking some of these small sunflower plants that I got also from Dollar Tree due in the fall time. Then I added a little bit of floral foam onto the pail, and then I'm attaching the flowers into it, just making sure to keep everything nice and neat and in the same length. So I'm just added small pieces on there until this was completely filled. As you see there, some of the stems were longer than others, so I just trimmed it down, just trimmed the little stem down and repositioned the flower into the same stem to have everything be more symmetrical. Once I was happy with how the flowers looked in the pail, I took some buffalo check ribbon and I'm going to loop it on the top of the little handle there, and this is going to be trimmed and burned at the ends because this tends to fray. And then once that was nice and done, I'm going to go ahead and hook this onto the smaller rim. My friends, I apologize here that I'm a little bit out of focus, but I pretty much just looped it over the rim and then attached it using a little bit of hot glue. And I did the same exact thing with the other end, and I just attached it onto the rim as well. Once that was connected, I took a little bow and I stuck it onto the connection there where the rim was. And here I wasn't too happy with how filled it was, so I added some more sunflowers to the basket and secured the ribbon onto the handle with a bit of hot glue. And that is it, my friends. Here it is. I love this piece. It's nice and simple, but I love the contrast of all the colors together. Oh my goodness, I love this piece. You guys let me know which one is your favorite. And as always, thank you so much for spending time with me. Thank you for taking time out of your busy days to just look at my videos. I really, really appreciate each one of you for commenting, liking, subscribing. I really appreciate everything that you do. And as always, my friends, you know already, be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. Thank you so much again. If you would like to follow me on social media, here comes my social media links. And don't forget to visit the playlist. Have an amazing day. Bye.